Good morning to all. Once again, today we will continue chapter 9, that is safe handling and storage of water. In this chapter, today we will understand how can we store water properly for drinking purpose. We should always keep drinking water in clean and covered container so that germs and dirt couldn't enter in the container. Look here children, these are the different type of ladles which we can use to take out water from the containers. Ladle is a utensil to take out water from the container. Now we will know about what's the need for avoiding stagnation of water. Avoid means to keep away from somebody and stagnation means not moving. Means that is constant. Stagnation of water means water is constant. Dirty and stagnant water is a major cause of diseases. Such water is a breeding place for mosquitoes. Breeding means natural process of reproduction in animals. Dirty and stagnant water is a breeding place for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. These are diseases. At first we will know about malaria. It is an infectious disease caused by female anopheles. Dengue, a disease caused by virus carried by mosquitoes. And chikungunya, viral disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. We all need to take care that water is not allowed to stagnate in old or broken containers around our house. Container means box or bottle in which something is kept and in which there is water. We should also change water in room coolers and flower pots after 3 to 4 days. We should change water in room coolers and flower pots after every 3-4 days. That's why there should not be breeding of mosquitoes. When water in room coolers cannot be changed, 2 spoons of kerosene should be put in it to keep the mosquitoes away. If we can't change the water of room coolers, then we should give 2 spoons of kerosene oil in room cooler. Next, safe handling and storage of water. People often store water in earthen pots and containers made of copper, brass or steel. Earthen pots means clay pots. And copper, brass or metal, these are an elements. Copper, a common reddish brown metal. Brass, a hard yellow metal that is a mixture of copper and zinc, and is still an alloy of iron and carbon. Water can be stored in different types of pots and containers you can see in this picture. Now come in the next page. People also store water in plastic containers like bottles or buckets or in containers made of metals like aluminium or steel. We use these type of containers to keep water. Proper storage and safe handling of purified water is very important to keep the germs away. Some ways of proper storage and safe handling of water are suggested below. Means how can we keep water properly for drinking purpose? Water should always be stored in clean and covered containers. We should never dip our hands in water stored for drinking purpose. We should use a ladle. Ladle means a large deep spoon with a long handle or some other clean utensil to take out water from a container. We should not drink water that has been stored for many days. We should keep these points in our mind when we use water for drinking purpose. Look here children, these are the proper way to keep water. And how can we take water from a pot? Using this ladle. And this water pot is covered with this lid. Now come in the next page. We thus realize that we not only need to conserve water but also make sure that the water used for drinking is clean, pure and potable. Let us ensure that water that is meant to help us does not get polluted. It means we should always drink pure and clean water to be healthy and fit. And we should also conserve water. These are the keywords. Filtration, a method for removing dust and other suspended particles from water. Germs, extremely small living beings which can cause diseases. Potable water means water fit for drinking. Purification means method of cleaning. Or stagnant water means standing or still water. That's all for this chapter.